Hello YouTube, this is going to be a close-up of the movement of a mechanical watch, running and not running. So stand by while I put the focus lens in. So this is the close-up of the watch not running. Alright, stand by for it to be running. Right, here is the mechanical watch running. There's the hairspring. There's the escapement. Sorry, it's a little bit blurry. You see my other video of how I did this with my iPhone. I used a laser pointer and the focus lens to do this, so if I'm not at the right distance, it's a little blurry. So sorry about that. It's pretty interesting seeing all these parts really close up. Thanks for watching.